A data lake serves as a centralized repository designed to accommodate data of all types and sizes, whether it's structured, unstructured, or semi-structured, sourced from various origins. It seamlessly handles data, whether arriving in batches, real-time, or near real-time. The beauty of a data lake lies in its flexibility. It imposes no restrictions on the types or formats of data it can store. What sets it apart is that you don't need to predetermine your use case or impose rigid structures on the data lake. Instead, you can incrementally build and evolve it over time.
A data lake is like a vast reservoir that holds all types of data, structured and unstructured, from various sources. Let's uncover why data lakes are essential for modern organizations. First up, we have the single source of truth. Data lakes break down those pesky data silos, ensuring that your organization operates with a single source of truth. Say goodbye to inconsistent data. Next, the variety of processing capabilities. Data lakes empower you with a range of processing tools. From basic querying to advanced analytics and even machine learning. You have the freedom to choose the right tools for your business needs. Now, schema on read. Data lakes follow a unique approach. They store data without a predefined structure, allowing you to apply structure only when you're ready to analyze it. Which means that data is ingested without a predefined schema. This eliminates the need for time-consuming upfront data transformation and schema design, allowing data to be ingested in its raw form. This agility speeds up the ingestion process, especially when dealing with diverse and unstructured data sources. Flexibility at its finest. Let's talk versatility. Data lakes can handle it all: textual logs, multimedia, sensor data, you name it. Their adaptability ensures you can manage diverse data sources within the same environment. Next, decoupling storage and compute. This architectural gem allows you to scale storage and processing independently, optimizing both cost efficiency and performance for your specific needs. Last but not least, cost efficiency. Data lakes reduce data duplication and offer efficient storage management, making them a cost-effective solution for managing and analyzing large volumes of data.
Now let's take a brief look at principles of data lake architecture. Our first principle is decoupling ingestion, processing and consumption of data. Think of your data lake as a well-structured ship. Decoupling acts as the rudder, ensuring that changes in one area don't steer the entire ship off course. It provides flexibility, allowing each component to evolve independently to meet specific needs. Next up is metadata management. Imagine metadata as the detailed map of your data lake. Effective metadata management provides context, lineage, and visibility into data assets. It's the key to understanding and governing the vast sea of data within the lake, aiding users in discovering and using data with confidence. Our third principle, searchability using data catalogs, acts as the guiding light for data exploration. Data lakes can quickly become overwhelming without proper search capabilities. Data catalogs serve as that guiding light, offering centralized, searchable indices of data assets, making data discovery efficient and user-friendly. Data lake governance is our fourth principle, akin to the ship's governance structure. Effective governance policies and practices ensure data quality, security, and compliance. This includes defining roles, access controls, and enforcing data retention policies. Our fifth principle, scalability, is like preparing your ship for varying sea conditions. A data lake must be scalable to accommodate the ever-expanding volume of data generated by organizations. Scalability ensures the data lake remains responsive, whether it's handling terabytes or petabytes of data. Security is the guardian of your data treasure. Protecting sensitive and valuable data from unauthorized access or breaches is a top priority. Robust security measures, including encryption, authentication, and access controls, safeguard the data lake and its contents. Our seventh principle focuses on organizing data. Data lakes can be structured into several layers, including raw, standardized, cleansed, application, and sandbox. Each layer represents a different stage of data processing, ensuring that different versions or states of data are easily accessible and managed within the data lake. So these are the fundamental things you should keep in mind while designing the data lake.